In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open layers in Canva. If you've ever worked with multiple elements on a design and wondered how to see what's on top of what, or simply wanted a clear overview of everything on your canvas, the Layers view is your best friend. It gives you a clean list of all the elements on your current page so you can understand the stacking order at a glance. Start by opening your project in the Canva editor. Make sure the design you want to work on is visible on the canvas. Next, click to select any element within your design. This could be a text box, an image, a shape, or an icon. Selecting something is important because it activates the context toolbar at the top, which is where we'll find what we need. If you don't see anything change at the top, double-check that an element is highlighted with a bounding box. Once an element is selected, look along the toolbar above the canvas for the button labeled Position. This button controls how elements sit in relation to each other, and it's your gateway to the Layers view. Click Position to open its panel. At the top of this panel, you'll see a tab labeled Layers. This is the section that reveals a structured list of the elements on your current page. Go ahead and click the Layers tab. That's it. Your layers are now visible. In this Layers view, Canva displays each element as a separate entry, often with a small thumbnail and a name, so you can quickly identify what you're looking at. The list is arranged to reflect your design's stacking order. Items toward the top of the list are visually in front, and items lower in the list sit behind. This is incredibly useful when your canvas looks busy or when elements overlap and are hard to select directly on the design. If you ever open the Position panel and don't immediately see the Layers tab, make sure you're at the top of the panel and that you've selected an element on the canvas. A quick re-click on the element can refresh the options in the toolbar. Also, keep in mind that the Layers view shows elements on the current page of your design, so switch pages in your project if you're working across multiple layouts. And that's all you need to open Layers in Canva. Open your project, select an element, click Position, then click the Layers tab. With this view open, you'll have a clearer understanding of your design structure, which makes organizing and refining your work much easier.